Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download multiple files from Google Drive to your phone. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's get started. Here you can see I have opened up Google Drive. Now here you can see my files here. Let's tap on one of my folder and here you can see multiple files. To download that files, all I have to do is tap right here on one of my photo, and if I want to select multiple, tap on other, then other, then other, and here you can see three dots at the very top. And now here you can see download option, and you can see four items will be downloaded. So this is how you can easily download your files. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.